If you are learning Romanian and you want to sound more natural, then this video is for you. You're going to learn how to say that you like something in Romanian, and it's a little bit different than English. Hi, my name is Georgiana, and on my channel I help you learn the languages that I speak in a simple and practical way. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And let's start. Hai să începem! So, I was mentioning earlier that when you say that you like something in Romanian, well, it's a little bit different than saying it in English. For example, if you want to say, I like chocolate, how are you going to say it in Romanian? I have two options for you. Îmi place ciocolata or îmi plac ciocolata. Which one is the correct option? The correct option is îmi place ciocolata. Îmi place ciocolata. Why is that? Because we use place with singular nouns, in this case ciocolata, and plac with plural nouns. Let's have a look at another example. If you want to say, referring to a yellow bag, that you like the yellow bag, so I like the yellow bag, in Romanian is going to be îmi place geanta galbenă. So it's one bag. Yeah? So one bag, îmi place. Îmi place geanta galbenă. However, if we are referring to two or more bags, then we are going to use the form of the verb plac. Îmi plac gențile galbene. So I like the yellow bags. So in this case, the noun is plural, which means that also the form of the verb is going to change. So while in English we use like, so I like the bags or I like the bag, in Romanian this is going to change. So once again, îmi place for singular, îmi plac for plural. What if you want to say, I like this film? How are you going to say it? Îmi place, just because it's one, this film, filmul acesta. Îmi place filmul acesta. It's because it's one, so îmi place. One film. But if I want to say that I like horror films, then I'm going to say îmi plac. Îmi plac filmele de groază. Îmi plac filmele de groază. Îmi plac filmele de groază. Now, another example. If you want to say, I like tea, then you're going to say, îmi place ceaiul. Îmi place ceaiul. And if you want to say, I like coffee, îmi place cafeaua. But what if you want to say that you don't like something? So for example, I don't like coffee. This is actually very easy. So you just add nu. Nu îmi place cafeaua. As easy as that. So you just add nu. Nu îmi place cafeaua. Or maybe you don't like chocolate. Nu îmi place ciocolata. Nu îmi place ciocolata. Right, that's it for this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching it. Mulțumesc frumos. I will see you in the next one. Pa, pa!